hello, welcome back to KSK Home Channel. Entirely different, fabulous and unique collections హ్యాండ్లూమ్ స్టోర్కి నేను మిమ్మల్ని వాళ్ళు తీసుకెళ్ళబోతున్నాను. అసలు ఎంత బాగున్నాయంటే శారీకి తగ్గట్టుగా బ్లౌజ్ కానీ సీలా శారీ కలెక్షన్స్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఉమెన్స్ వార్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ల్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ బెంగాల్. అసలు బెంగాల్ కలెక్షన్ అసలు ఎంత ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీగా ఫ్యాబులస్ రిచ్ లుక్ యూనిక్ పీసెస్ శారీకి తగ్గట్టుగా మేడం చక్కగా బ్లౌజ్ అయితే ఎంత బాగా చక్కగా సెట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అది మనకి మంచి దివాళీ స్పెషల్ పర్సంటేజ్తో డిస్కౌంట్ ఆఫర్స్తో మంచి లెనిన్ జమ్దానీ శారీస్ కానీ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ కాటన్ కానీ ఖాదీ కాటన్ కానీ సిల్క్ బై కాటన్ కానీ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ సిల్క్ కానీ లెనిన్ కానీ యాప్లిక్ వర్క్ కానీ హ్యాండ్ పెయింటింగ్ శారీస్ కానీ ఫ్యాన్సీ శారీస్ కానీ శారీకి తగ్గట్టుగా బ్లౌజ్ అయితే మనకి ఎంత బాగా ఉందంటే అసలు నేను ఏది వదలబుద్ధి కాలేదు. అంత రిచ్ లుక్ అండ్ ఫీల్ ఉన్నాయి. అలాగే తన దగ్గర మనకి స్కర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇట్లా కాంతా వర్క్లో బ్లౌజెస్ ఉన్నాయి, కాశ్మీరీ వర్క్లో బ్లౌజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. మినిమం బ్లౌజ్ పీసెస్ అయితే 4 ఆర్డర్ అండి. షిప్పింగ్ అనేది ఫ్రీ. కాకపోతే మనకి ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అనేది ఆన్లైన్ మాత్రమే, సిఓడి లేదు. హ్యూజ్ డిమాండ్ ఉందండి. మీరు పక్కన పెట్టండి అనేది అయితే అసలు కాన్సెప్టే లేదండి. ఎందుకంటే అంత హ్యూజ్ డిమాండ్ అనమాట. బ్లౌజెస్ కానీ శారీస్ కానీ శారీలో బ్లౌజ్ ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ బ్లౌజ్కి సపరేట్గా మేడం శారీ మనం బయటకు వెళ్ళి స్టిచ్ చేయించుకోకుండా అట్లా కూడా సెట్ చేశారు. అసలు ఎంత బాగుందంటే క్లాత్ ఫీల్ కంఫర్ట్ ఇచ్చింగ్ లేకుండా వాళ్ళే ఓన్గా మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ చేసేసి చక్కగా మంచి లెనిన్ జమ్దానీ శారీస్ ఎన్నో రకాల వెరైటీస్ అండి. అలాగే ఇవాళ వీడియోలో నేను 5 గివ్ అవే విన్నర్స్ని దివాళీ స్పెషల్గా నేను అనౌన్స్ చేయబోతున్నాను. మరి వీడియోను అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండింగ్ వరకు చూసేయండి. ఈ వీడియోకి నేను మీకు ఇచ్చే టార్గెట్ లైక్స్ వచ్చేసి 1000 అండి. అట్లాగే మరి ప్రతి షాపింగ్ వీడియోపై మన ఛానల్లో గివ్ అవే రన్ అవుతుంది, మర్చిపోకుండా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి. ఇలా ఆప్లిక్ వర్క్ బ్లౌజెస్ కానీ ఆప్లిక్ వర్క్ శారీస్ కానీ మంచి ఇలా డిజైనర్ బ్లౌజెస్ కానీ ఎన్నో ఉన్నాయి. అన్ని రేటు డిస్కౌంట్తో చెప్పారు. చక్కగా మీరు వాట్సాప్ కాల్ వీడియో కాల్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా ఉంది, చూజ్ చేసుకోండి మరి. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి మనం చక్కగా ఫస్ట్ విన్నర్ని చూసేసాక మేడం చాలా యూనిక్ పీసెస్ చూపించారు. దానికి తగ్గట్టుగా బ్లౌజ్ కూడా చక్కగా సెట్ చేశారు. అన్నీ చూసేస్తూ మిడిల్లో మనం విన్నర్స్ని అనౌన్స్ చేసుకుంటూ చక్కగా ఇవాళ వీడియోని ఎంజాయ్ చేసేద్దాము. ఫస్ట్ విన్నర్ నీలిమా ఎరుమొల్లి, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. మరి శారీస్ వినేద్దాం.
Today I will show you my handloom collection, ready-made blouse collection, blouse pieces collection, leggings, all things are available in our store. Daily wear sarees, everything. Whatever you require, it is one store it is. Okay. So let me start.
Yeah. Single piece also courier.
Yeah. Let me tell you again, ma'am. If you're ordering blouse pieces, minimum order is 4.
Minimum order is 4. Shipping free.
Shipping is free. All over India, shipping is free, ma'am.
Okay. What material you have in blouse pieces?
Yeah. Blouse mainly is cotton. Or is mainly cotton.
Cotton.
It's a handloom store, ma'am.
Okay.
Totally handloom. We have fancy sarees also. That also we have.
Okay.
But mainly it is handloom, ma'am.
Handloom. You have ready-made blouses also.
Ready-made blouses, very unique variety will get.
Okay. What about any discounts and all?
Yeah, madam. We are offering discounts also.
Okay.
All products here is under discount.
Okay.
And suppose if a person is taking in wholesale, everything is at a wholesale rate only.
Okay.
But if a person is taking minimum 10 pieces.
Okay.
Minimum 10 pieces should be, not in blouse pieces, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm telling of ready-made blouses. Suppose ready-made blouses, anybody is taking 10 pieces. We are already offered discount price. On the discount price, again we are offering 5% discount.
ఆల్రెడీ మీరు బ్లౌజెస్ మీద డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చారు, ఇంకా 10 పీసెస్ తీసుకుంటే ఇంకా కూడా డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తారు.
Blouses, ready-made blouses.
Ready-made blouses.
Only in ready-made blouses. Suppose if anybody is taking 10 pieces.
Blouse and saree.
Blouses and sarees, 10 pieces minimum.
Okay.
Be ready-made blouses 10 pieces or sarees 10 pieces.
Okay.
Whatever is the discount rate we are offering,
okay,
that again 5% discount we are offering.
Okay. What about international shipping, ma'am?
Yeah, international shipping also we have. And everybody has to make the payment, ma'am, through Indian account only.
Okay. No COD option.
No COD option.
Before payment you need.
Yeah. And the payment has to be immediate payment. Why? Because, ma'am, we can't keep products aside.
Okay.
Because huge demand for our products.
Okay.
So if we keep aside, our stock gets blocked.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
So let me start.
Yeah.
handloom cotton sari.
Uh-huh.
In this handloom cotton sari, this is a pure
Black with
applique.
the oblique work,
Yeah,
ma'am.
applique work.
Okay.
Okay, it's very good sari, ma'am.
Like
has a-
gold color border.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
gold color border. It is like you can tell gold only, light cream color.
Okay.
Sari has blouse piece, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
It has a running blouse.
Running
piece.
blouse.
Okay, running blouse piece it has.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
where sari price is 1470.
Uh-huh.
After discount, it is 1250.
1250. Okay.
With this sari, I will suggest one
Ready-made blouse.
ready-made blouse.
Wow. Blouse is very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Blouse is price is 780 after discount.
After
780
discount.
after discount is a boat neck.
Okay. Free size.
Yeah. Sizes are many. There is no free size. Sizes are many sizes are there. Princess cut.
Okay.
Soft cotton.
Oh, soft cotton
Blouse
blouse.
has lining also.
Oh, okay, okay.
Our first collection. This is a handloom sari, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Diwali is coming. Beautiful red collection, ma'am.
Okay.
This is the body of the sari. See, body, it is totally hand, no power loom, ma'am.
Okay.
It is a hand woven sari. Everything is zari embossed.
What is the border work, ma'am?
Yeah, border work is zari embossed. Zari, it is a jamdani work, ma'am.
Jamdani work.
Jamdani motif. All these are
Okay, okay.
jamdani work.
What is the material of the
Material
sari?
is this handloom silk.
Handloom silk. Dry wash only?
And only first wash should be dry wash.
Okay.
Whichever sari is whatever wash I will be telling you
Okay.
first only.
Okay.
This is a pallu.
Mm-hmm.
Every sari has blouse piece. This
Okay.
sari has blouse piece. Blouse also
Running blouse.
running blouse here
Okay.
with motifs and all.
What is the price of the sari?
Sari price is 1530. After discount 1320.
Sari price is 1530. After discount 1320.
हाँ, 1320.
More than 10 pieces you will go some
In the
special
discount price, we
Ah.
again give 5% discount.
Okay, ma'am.
If they are taking 10 pieces saris or 10 pieces ready-made blouses.
Okay, okay.
Okay. With this sari, I will suggest one like this good ready-made blouse.
Okay.
It's a golden color.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it is fully zari work.
Mm.
And all these are very good quality, ma'am. The fabric is very good.
Any size available?
Any size available.
Okay, okay. What is the
Blouse
what about?
price is 1450. After discount 1240.
Okay. Can you show me the blouse margin, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah, margin also there. It's a round neck. This.
Back is round neck.
Very comfortable wear, ma'am. Also, madam, deep henna green sari.
Henna
It's a
green.
pure cotton
Mehendi
sari.
green sari.
Mehendi green or henna green.
Uh,
Pure cotton
With
sari.
orange and black color lines.
Orange and black color lines. It is there.
In middle part silver, ma'am.
Here it is silver work is there, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Silver work is there.
Mhm.
Pallu. This is a pallu.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is a pallu.
Okay.
Blouse piece is also there.
Oh, running blouse
Yeah,
is
running
also
blouse
there.
piece. Running
Okay.
blouse piece also there. Okay.
Sari all
It's
over.
a pure cotton sari.
Uh-huh.
1650 is the sari price. After discount 1320.
1320.
With
Okay.
this sari,
Uh-huh.
I will suggest one ready-made blouse like
Okay.
this.
Oh, nice. What is the material of blouse,
Khadi
ma'am?
cotton.
Khadi cotton.
it
With
is-
the applique work, this
Yeah,
also.
it has see butterfly here, wooden work here all.
Okay.
Embroidery work is there.
Okay.
Princess cut,
Mm-hmm.
boat neck.
Okay, okay.
Okay. It's a very unique, trendy, madam. Blouses are very good.
What is the blouse cost, ma'am?
price, ma'am? 1140 is the blouse price. After discount, 940.
Okay.
Madam, this is a royal blue color sari. Okay, the sari material is silk by cotton.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is all hand woven balls, ma'am. These are all hand woven,
Mm.
and these are tested zari.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
sari. This is a body. Sari pallu is this.
Fabric is very comfortable.
Yes, very comfortable, ma'am.
No
Soft
itchings
material,
under.
No itchings, nothing. See, this is a pallu.
Okay.
Sari has running blouse.
Okay.
This is the
Every
running-
sari has running blouse.
Yeah. Sari has running blouse.
Uh,
Sari price is 1590.
Okay.
After discount 1350.
after 1590, after discount 1390.
1350.
50. Okay.
1350.
Can you show me the blouse,
With
ma'am?
this sari, I will suggest one like this blouse.
Oh. Designer blouse.
Yeah, designer blouse. These are very good. The material is very good, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Margin is there. Blouse price is 1575, after discount 1340.
Okay.
Okay.
Hand painting saree.
This is a blouse. Sari pallu.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fully hand painting, ma'am. This is.
Pot painting and lady
Yeah.
with the trees.
With all the cotton, all village.
Village atmosphere
village
like
scenery,
sunset.
Yeah. Sari price is 1450.
Hmm.
After discount 1230.
Well,
This sari doesn't have blouse piece. This is a
Okay.
pure cotton sari.
Uh-huh.
It has a very graceful, ma'am. This is a.
What is the saree meters, ma'am? How much?
This will be 5 meter, 5.5 meters.
5.5.
5.5.
Regular
Normally
saree.
Yeah, with blouse piece it will be 6.5. This will be 5.5. Okay, it doesn't have a blouse piece.
Can you show me the blouse?
With this sari,
Mm.
I will suggest one blouse like this.
Okay.
Pure embroidery, madam. A lady with a seeing a mirror.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, blouse price 880, after discount 750.
Okay.
Steel color sari, yellow blouse. This sari, madam, it's a steel color sari
Uh-huh.
with parrot work.
Uh-huh.
This is
Silver parrot
Yeah,
work.
silver parrot work. है ना? And this is a broad skirt border. This is all motifs are there.
ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఏంటండి సారీ?
Fabric you can take as crepe type fabric, madam.
ఓకే ఓకే.
It comes under fancy sarees, ma'am.
దిస్ ఇస్ ద కంచి బోర్డర్ స్టైల్.
Yeah, kanchi border style. Yeah.
Okay.
It comes under fancy sarees, ma'am.
దిస్ వన్
It's
ఇస్
a
ద
pallu.
పల్లు, బనారస్ రిచ్
हाँ,
పల్లు,
rich pallu is there. See the blouse piece.
బ్రోకెట్ బ్లౌజ్.
Brocade blouse. Good blouse is there.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ మ్యామ్?
Sari price is 1480. After discount 1260.
1260. మీరు బ్లౌజ్ సెట్ చేసి
This with this sari, I will.
ఓకే ఓకే.
This is a
సిల్వర్
blouse.
కలర్
Silver
విత్
color.
నెట్,
Yeah.
బోట్ నెక్ ఆల్సో.
Boat neck also you can. And this is, if people like sleeveless, okay.
ఓకే.
Sleeves also is there.
అటాచ్డ్.
Attached.
ఓకే. వాట్ ఈస్ ద
Blouse prices, ma'am. 1575, after discount 1340.
ఓకే.
It's a maroon color cotton handloom sari, ma'am. See this with all motif work. Is it all hand woven, madam?
లైక్ మ్యాంగో బుట్టి.
Yeah, mango booty, tested zari.
Okay.
Buttas are there. All these are hand buttas, hand woven
విత్
buttas.
హ్యాండ్ జరీ.
Yeah, hand woven zari, madam. These are
లైక్ టెంపుల్ బోర్డర్ డిజైన్.
yeah. Very rich look, madam. Simple price, rich look.
ఓకే
Okay.
ఓకే.
This is the body. This is the body.
ఓకే.
The sari
టోటల్
body.
ఆల్ ఓవర్
All
సారీ
over
రన్నింగ్
sarees.
టు ఎండింగ్.
Totally all over sari.
ఓకే.
And this is the blouse. In blouse also full work, just like the body.
లైక్ రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్.
Yeah, running blouse is there. It's a maroon color sari.
ఓకే.
Okay, comfortable.
It's
wear,
maroon
ma'am.
red.
Yeah, maroon red. Good looking for festival. Is very rich look.
Yeah.
madam.
What is the cost?
Sari price, ma'am, 1960. After discount 1665.
Okay, nice.
With this sari, I will suggest one like this good brocade
Banaras
blouse.
brocade
Brocade
blouse.
blouse.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is the blouse. Prince boat neck, princess
Front
cut,
open button.
front open button,
Okay.
and it is after discount 780.
మరి చూస్తున్నారు కదా అసలు కలెక్షన్ ఎంత బాగుందో. మనం ఒక్కదాన్ని మించి ఒకటి ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా చాలా చాలా ఉన్నాయండి. వీడియోలో నేను అన్నీ కవర్ చేయలేను కాబట్టి కొన్ని మాత్రమే మీకు చూపించాను. స్కిప్ చేయకండి, ఎండింగ్ వరకు చూడండి. వీడియో కాల్ ఫెసిలిటీ ద్వారా చక్కగా మీ ఆర్డర్ని బుక్ చేసేసుకోండి. మరి గివ్అవేస్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి. జయమ్మ మైలారం నాకు నచ్చింది, పిక్ చేయట్లేదండి. మరి ఇంకో విన్నర్ని చూసేద్దాము మనం. మరి దుర్గం హిమాంష్, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. మీరు మమ్మల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి, మేము మిమ్మల్ని గెట్ బ్యాక్ అవుతాము. మరి ఇంకా 4 విన్నర్స్ ఉన్నారు.
మస్లిన్ కాటన్.
Silk.
Silk.
Muslin is silk, ma'am.
Silk. Okay.
Yeah. This muslin money, it is a very rich look.
Like strawberry design.
Some full black,
With?
set black with all hand woven work over there. See the
Okay.
work, ma'am. These are all work.
Okay, okay.
Intricate work, ma'am.
Thread work,
These
black
are all
with
thread work. All
gold
thread
and
work.
red color
Gold
thread.
and red thread work.
Okay.
This is a body.
With the leaves and flower design.
Yeah, this is a body, ma'am. This is a body.
Total body like
Total
this.
body like this work.
Like a border, like small border.
Small body.
Silver
Here
and gold
also
color
gold.
combination.
This is a muslin saree.
Okay. Like net.
Yeah. And it has a like this. It has blouse.
Contrast color
It
blouse.
has blouse piece. Yeah, it has blouse piece. And the pallu I will show. Sequence pallu.
Okay. Okay.
Muslin silk with sequence pallu.
Total body full work, so sequence pallu.
Yeah, sequence pallu. Small stars. See the.
Okay.
With this sarees, satin petticoat is must.
Okay.
It gives a rich look.
Oh. Okay.
Saree price 7215, after discount 6130.
Okay. 7215 6130.
After discount. With this saree, I will suggest one like this blouse. Sleeves are there.
Okay.
Okay, if anybody likes to attach sleeves, simple design.
Okay.
Blouse price is 1450, after discount 1240.
Nice.
Back side of the blouse.
Yeah.
This is our silk by cotton. All sarees are handloom. With hand applique in pallu. Body color is steel color. Pallu blue.
With
With
peacock's
pink
design.
Peacocks different.
Peacocks
Peacock
and flower
flowers.
design.
Pink.
Okay.
Sari has like this contrast
Oblique
blouse,
work
yeah.
with blouse.
Contrast blouse.
Okay.
Blouse piece.
Okay.
Sari price is 2080.
Uh-huh.
After discount 1770.
Okay.
With this sari, I will
Blouse.
suggest one good looking khadi cotton blouse. See, such beautiful. It has boat neck, front is V. Motif, see, bird motif.
Okay. Boat neck, board motives.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the cost of
Cost
the blouse?
of the blouse is, ma'am, 1130 is the price. After discount 980.
9 each.
Here we show you.
Green color
Green
combination.
color, parrot green, ma'am.
Parrot green,
Parrot
brick
green.
color.
These are all Jamdani motif.
Okay.
Hand woven sari.
Mm-hmm.
Jamdani work is done in the pallu.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Gold
Sari.
color jari work.
All tested zari.
Okay. Okay.
Pure quality khadi Jamdani.
Mm-hmm.
Running blouse. Blouse
Okay.
piece is there.
Uh-huh.
This is the pallu and this is the body.
Okay. 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 Nice.
With sari price is, ma'am, 1950. After discount 1560.
Okay.
With this sari, I will suggest one blouse.
Okay. Oblique work, ma'am. Blouse.
Applique work, yeah. With a fiber beaded sort of.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Okay. Full hands.
Yeah. Glass sleeves.
Glass sleeves. Okay. Okay.
If anybody wants to do it short, okay, that is there.
Okay.
Here I won't do the alterations.
Okay.
And another thing I want to tell you, ma'am,
Uh-huh.
ready-made blouses will be coming little bigger in size.
Okay.
Okay, by default it will be little bigger in size.
Uh-huh.
They can make it shorter.
Okay.
It is better to take bigger. Bigger can be made in shorter, but shorter can't be made bigger.
Okay.
Okay, it will be coming bigger.
Okay.
The blouse price is 1160. After discount 980.
Ah,
Ready-made blouse always comes little bigger.
okay.
This is also khadi cotton saree with zigzag motif.
Zigzag motif.
Yeah.
Black and bottle green
Yeah.
color or blue color, ma'am?
It is a midnight black, man. Midnight blue. Sorry,
Midnight blue. Dark blue.
Yeah, midnight dark blue. Ganga Jamuna border, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Here and
Like
saree.
Niharika model saree.
Yeah, yeah. This is the body. This is the pallu.
Mm.
This is the pallu. Saree has blouse piece also.
Mm-hmm.
This is the blouse.
Okay.
This is the that midnight blue. Okay, blouse piece. With the saree price is 2340. After discount 1980.
Okay, ma'am. What is the blouse?
And the blouse which I will suggest is this.
Oh,
See neck that is embroidery fully,
okay.
both in front and back.
Okay.
Okay. Here also buttons are there,
Mm.
embroidery work, glass sleeves,
Mhm.
boat neck, princess cut.
Mm.
Blouse price 1110, after discount 940.
Okay. Linen cotton.
Cotton linen.
Mm-hmm.
See.
Wow, color is nice, blue
Yeah,
and pink with the
multicolours,
temple
all the
border.
hand woven temple motifs are there. Hand woven sari, pallu is going.
With flower booties.
Yeah, Rani pink pallu. The
Ah,
blue color is royal blue, little lighter shade.
okay.
Okay.
Both sides gold color zari
Yeah,
border.
both sides gold color, tested zari is there.
Okay.
Contrast blouse piece is there.
Okay.
Pink
Okay.
color. It has a
Okay.
two-tone,
Oh, not single tone.
not single tone.
Okay.
And this is the
Total saree.
total sari is this.
Okay, okay.
Pure cotton linen.
Oh,
Comfortable wear, very trendy saris.
oh.
Handloom saris are always trendy, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Sari price 1760.
Uh-huh.
After discount 1495.
Okay.
With this sari, I will suggest one blouse like this.
Mm-hmm. Like butterflies.
Butterfly motifs
applique
are there,
work.
yeah.
Okay. What is the cost of the blouse?
Boat neck is there. Cost of the blouse is 1125. After discount 960.
Okay.
మరి చూస్తున్నారు కదా అసలు ఎంత మంచి కలెక్షనో. మరి షీలా కలెక్షన్ యొక్క కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ కానీ డీటెయిల్స్ కానీ అన్నీ నేను వీడియో కింద ఇస్తాను. చక్కగా వీడియో కాల్ ఫెసిలిటీ ద్వారా శారీ విత్ బ్లౌజ్ని మీరు చక్కగా విత్ డిస్కౌంట్తో చక్కగా బుక్ చేసేసుకోండి. వర్ణిక పప్పి డైలీ వేర్ శారీస్ కలెక్షన్ సూపర్ అండి, కానీ లైక్ లేదు, సో సారీ అండి. మరి ఇంకో విన్నర్ని అయితే మనం చూసేద్దాము. పడాల వరలక్ష్మి, వెరీ గుడ్ అండి, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్, గెట్ బ్యాక్ అవ్వండి మమ్మల్ని.
Wine color.
Wine.
Pure linen.
Pure linen. Okay.
Pure linen.
With gold booties.
Yes, a rich. See, pure linen. Gold zari work is there.
Okay.
Tested zari. Rich look. See the color, ma'am. So
Yeah.
beautiful color.
Wine color with gold color.
There's a pallu going.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Pallu also has polka motifs. Are there. This is the body.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, nice.
Rich look. Sober look.
Mm-hmm.
And it has a blouse piece also.
Mm.
Blouse piece is running.
Running blouse.
Running
Running
blouse.
plain blouse, ma'am,
Running
without
plain
motifs.
blouse, yeah. Plain blouse is there.
Mm.
With this, we also have stretchable materials, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
So I can suggest one stretchable blouse with this one side.
Oh,
See,
nice. Gold
The
color.
material is very nice. The stretchable material.
That is the brasso material, ma'am?
Yeah, it is like this.
Oh, stretchable.
Stretchable.
Any
One.
size.
Any size.
Okay.
is there. Okay.
Can you show me the back side of the blouse? Yeah, okay. Back open.
Back like this.
Okay.
Nice one. Good. Like a plain round neck.
Okay. Like.
So let me tell the sari price, ma'am. Sari price is 4780. After discount 4065.
Okay. What is
And
the blouse?
and the
price?
blouse after discount it is 680.
Okay.
This is a black, Z black sari.
Black
Pure
with
handloom cotton. Pure handloom cotton.
black with woolen work or
Huh.
thread work, ma'am?
It is woolen work, ma'am. This
Woolen
is
work.
woolen work.
Okay.
Woolen. It is. I won't tell woolen also, ma'am. This is actually it is a, like a, it looks like woolen. It is actually chain stitch, ma'am.
Okay, chain
It is
stitch.
chain. It is not woolen, ma'am.
Okay,
This is
okay.
not woolen.
Okay, okay.
This simple
Thread
thread,
work.
simple thread work.
Okay.
It looks like woolen work.
Okay.
It is very nicely done, ma'am. This is a pallu,
Yeah.
and this is the running blouse. Blouse
Okay.
piece is running.
Uh-huh.
Awesome, they will look when
Yeah.
they wear. No, sari wearing is very important, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is the body.
Okay. Nice.
Sari price is 1470.
Uh-huh.
After discount 1250.
Okay.
With this sari, I will suggest one like this pink, Rani pink blouse.
What is the material, ma'am?
Khadi cotton.
For the cotton.
Khadi cotton material.
Mostly khadi cotton blouses.
Yeah, all khadi cotton because a handloom store,
Yeah,
as
yeah.
I told you. After discount, the blouse price is 860.
Okay.
In back, little like this.
Like
design
diamond
set,
work
side
with
design,
buttons. Price, ma'am? Blouse price?
Blouse price after discount is 860. Sorry, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Pure linen with floral motif.
Cream with pink
Yeah.
color and green
So
combination.
beautiful, ma'am.
Yeah. Wow.
Ice cream color type.
Yeah.
Strawberry ice.
Strawberry ice
Yeah,
cream.
all roses.
Like silver border.
With silver border. Silver.
With pink
These are
wood.
all tested, ma'am. All these are very
Okay.
comfortable. Very comfortable.
Okay. Contrast blouse.
I will show you. This is the
Blouse. Okay.
pallu. See, the pallu is so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Very unique.
Mm.
This is the blouse piece.
Like onion color.
Fully, onion
Not
color.
pink, like
Not
onion.
Pink, good looking.
Yeah. What is the cost?
Cost of sari cost, ma'am, 2330. After discount, 1980.
Nice.
With this sari, I will suggest one like this blouse.
Khadi blouse.
Huh.
Okay. Swagat Bomma design.
We tell as three sisters.
Three sisters. Okay.
This is a round neck.
Uh-huh.
Okay, like this. All
Okay.
blouse price is 880. After discount, 750. Okay, boat neck and princess cut.
Oh, nice.
Blouse again. I'm repeating. Blouse sizes will be bigger,
Uh-huh.
but they have to alter it.
Okay. Unique design.
Color is, ma'am, Rama green.
Rama green.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, this is an applique, batik applique it is.
Okay.
Hand batik applique.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Like border also.
Yeah, skirt border, see them.
Mm.
All designs are very unique, ma'am. These are all unique designs, all new, fresh collections.
Okay.
Fresh
Diwali
arrivals.
offers.
All. You will always find unique in my shop.
Yeah.
See, this pallu is rust color pallu
With applique work.
with
Both
applique work, yeah. And it has a rust color blouse piece also.
contrast blouse.
Contrast blouse piece.
What is the cost
Sari
of the
price
saree?
is 1840.
Uh-huh.
After discount, 1565.
What about blouse, ma'am? You can
Blouse
tell.
with this, I will suggest one
Uh-huh.
like this blouse.
Flower applique
Yeah.
work. With
It's a
the
boat
khadi
neck.
material.
Yeah, khadi cotton material.
Uh-huh.
Boat neck like this. Very good material. All blouses, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Fabric is very
Very,
good.
very good. Very good. V neck.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is the
Blouse
price?
price is 1020. After discount, 865.
Okay. Nice.
All this see, handloom silk. All these are.
Mm.
Silk by cotton, you can tell. These are very comfortable wear, man.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't, you don't feel hot.
Easy to carry.
Easy to carry. And all sarees are starch free, no starch required.
Okay. Easy to
No.
carry, very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Traveling purpose also.
Yeah. It is easy to maintain.
Yeah, yeah.
The body is fully like this. Man.
Uh-huh.
These are all fabric work done, man. All Molly art.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Contrast pallu of mustard yellow.
Uh-huh. Magenta pink with mustard yellow.
Mustard yellow. This is. And the blouses,
Okay, same like.
it has like this with wall, like this.
Worley prints like
Wally
this.
print, Wally print blouse also. Sari price is 1325.
Mm-hmm.
After discount, 1120.
Okay.
With this sari, I will suggest one like this blouse.
Oh, like Dasra.
Yeah, Durga Maka, madam.
Yeah.
Durga Maka full.
Okay, okay. With yellow.
All family, all other.
Yeah, okay, okay. Cost of the blouse.
Blouse is 880. After discount, 750. Red and black combination. Pure handloom cotton.
Okay.
Applique work, black applique work, ma'am.
Okay.
And the quality of the material, sari material is very good, ma'am.
Okay.
See, this has a pallu also.
Oh, nice.
Pallu like this, running blouse.
Okay.
Sari price is 1470. After discount, 1250.
Okay.
With this sari, I'm suggesting one like this blouse. designer blouse.
Like nice with the mirror work,
Yeah,
ma'am.
like
Light.
this small sequence work is there.
Okay.
Here again this moti fitted like this.
Okay. What is the blouse cost?
And this is the sleeves,
Uh-huh.
and it has back hook,
Okay.
back hook system.
Okay.
Blouse price is 1380, after discount 1185.
Okay. Nice.
This is also handloom cotton with applique work done.
Hmm.
Leaf, green leaves,
Okay.
applique design.
Hmm.
The color is actually, madam, light pomegranate, like
Light.
pomegranate
Yeah.
color.
Okay.
Pomegranate seeds color, light color it is actually.
Onion peel color
Yeah,
also.
onion peel color, light shade. Price of this saree is 1590, after discount 1350.
Oh.
It has a blouse piece also,
Oh. Okay.
running blouse piece. With this, I'm suggesting one blouse like this.
With mirror work,
Yeah.
ma'am. Khadi blouse.
Yeah, like that.
Front open.
Though it is light, little dark shades
yeah.
looks good, ma'am.
Yeah.
This mirror work, this is all hand woven, ma'am. These are
Okay.
all. Blouse price is 1080, after discount 920.
Nice.
Another linen saree, ma'am.
Yeah.
This have all green roses,
Green roses.
pure
Okay.
linen.
Okay.
Silver zari border is there, pasted zari,
Mm-hmm.
and the blouse comes like this,
Mm-hmm.
light green.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the pallu.
Okay.
This is the pallu. Saree price is 2330, after discount 1980.
Okay.
With this, I will suggest one like this blouse
Oh, collar neck.
with collar neck blouse.
Nice, ma'am.
Very smart look.
Okay. It's like Indira Gandhi blouse.
Yeah. Blouse price is 990, after discount 840.
Okay.
I have some thread work blouses also, pure cotton.
Okay.
1 meter.
Uh-huh.
See. You can give it as a very good material, as a gift purpose also you can do. You can wear, I mean, very nice. Pure cotton, ma'am. These are all hand work, multicolor or thread work.
Okay.
Blouse price is only 160.
Okay.
Okay.
Back work is
And
there,
here,
ma'am?
this in hands it is coming like this.
Okay, okay.
And in back it is coming as like this.
Border.
Near the waist.
Oh, okay.
Near
okay.
the waist it is coming.
Okay. Like border wise.
Yeah. Okay, blouse price is 160. All these have variety are there. I'm showing some colors in video. I can't show everything.
Yeah.
So
Different designs, different colors.
I always request viewers to come to my store. If not, do video calling.
Okay.
Okay, video calling is the only option, ma'am, because we don't get the time to send pics.
Yeah.
And in pics, what happens? You can't show everything. No?
Yeah.
Huge collection.
Yeah.
In video calling, we will show all with clarity. It will be happening.
Okay.
These are all the colors.
This,
all
each
colors.
piece is 160.
Each 160. ma'am.
Minimum order is 4 pieces.
Minimum order is 4 pieces. Blouse pieces, any blouse piece, minimum order is
4 pieces. Free shipping.
Free shipping, ma'am. For everybody, every item free shipping. See, this is all another variety. This is priced at 180.
Mm-hmm.
This is the back side of the blouse.
Okay.
All handwork, ma'am. Thread work.
Yeah.
All handwork. This in hands it is coming. This.
Okay.
And that is back side.
Okay.
180.
Oh.
Pure cotton.
With-
Thread work. 180. This has all variety designs.
Color
also,
combinations.
Colors also there.
Oh. These are all 180, ma'am?
These are all 180, ma'am. These are all 180.
With neck work and hand work.
180. Very pocket friendly.
Okay.
And gifting purpose also they can. All are 180. This is another design. Pure cotton thread work with temple design also. This is coming in 2 hands, temple design. Okay. And this is coming in the back side.
Back side. Okay.
This design actually, madam, that wheat grains, we have the rice grains.
Okay.
Rice grains like that type
Okay.
like design they did.
Yeah. Okay. Like.
Yeah. Pure cotton, red and white combination. This price is
This is the multi-purpose.
multi-purpose. Price is 240.
Okay.
It has good collection of colors also. Variety are there.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
240 per piece.
Okay.
It's a touch work, ma'am.
160, 180, and 240.
This is 240.
Uh,
This is 260. Touch work.
Depends on design,
On
little
and
bit
what,
variation.
What is there, no? It comes at the back.
Okay.
Touch work. Okay. And this is the
Back hands work.
Hands in hands.
Okay.
Okay. This is a 1 meter.
Mhm.
260.
Okay.
Each piece is 260. It has colors.
What is the blouse price starting range, ma'am?
Blouse we are starting at 160.
160.
For kalamkari also we have this range at 150.
150.
Kalamkari materials, ikat material, all of them, madam.
Okay.
But blouse piece, kalamkari piece starts from 150.
Oblique work.
All is a touch work, Gujarati stitch work. Now I am coming to Banarasi. These are all this bada panna, madam. As we
Okay.
tell, bada panna. Around 1 meter it is.
Okay. Okay. Sari panna like.
Yeah, yes, I panna.
Okay. What is the cost, ma'am?
This is all 225.
225.
225.
Mhm.
This has colors also.
Mhm.
As I told you,
Mm.
if they're taking lot of 12 pieces and lot, full
We
lot,
will-
they say 15% discount will come. With a one piece, 225 per piece.
Minimum 4 pieces.
Minimum 4 pieces order. This is Bagni print.
Mm-hmm.
This is 215. 215.
Okay.
This has colors also.
Oh.
Another thread work design I will show you blouse piece. It is full work. Full hand. One meter.
Okay.
Pure cotton thread work. It is 320 per piece. 320.
80 centimeters, ma'am?
1 meter.
1 meter. Each 1 meter blouse.
1 meter. This has colors also.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is another variety, ma'am. It's pure cotton thread work, 1 meter.
Mm-hmm.
See the design, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
This is the back design, full hand work.
Like Maggam work.
Yeah, with fully total with thread. This is the back,
Okay.
and this is the hands. Pure cotton. Huge demand, ma'am. This one.
Okay.
This has in hands it comes.
Fabulous colors.
Yeah, the colors are
Red.
others also them. Just showing
Yeah. Mehendi green.
black with red,
Okay. And mustard yellow.
mustard.
Okay. Nice.
Wrappers in the sense, ma'am. These are all like skirt type only.
Okay.
You know, nowadays people doesn't have that much time, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Just simply to go to nearby market
Yeah.
or anywhere. Just wear it in the tie and knot. It just comes around and just tie one knot here.
Okay.
Your work is done. Wear one top
Oh,
above and that's ready to
what about this blouse?
blouse. Any top you can.
Any
Any small top, anything, any t-shirt.
3/4.
anything,
Yeah, okay.
any t-shirt.
What is the cost of?
The cost of this wrapper is 1100 after discount 980.
980. Nice look.
Very good looking. Very very good. The colors also.
Size, ma'am? What is the
Any
size?
size.
Any-
Everybody free size.
Free size.
Free
Okay.
size. See the work of the.
Oh, nice.
Very good looking. Very good. And very comfortable wear. You just wear it and you can go. Fast it
Like
happens.
you can use it as plain sarees with petticoat.
Yeah,
That is.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice. All are same price, ma'am?
All 980. After discount 980.
మరి క్లారిటీగా డిస్కౌంట్తో సహా అన్నీ విన్నారు కదా. బ్లౌజ్ పీసెస్ అయితే మినిమం 4 పీసెస్ ఆర్డర్ చేయాలి. షిప్పింగ్ లేదు. అట్లాగే ఎక్కడికైనా కొరియర్ చేస్తారు. ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అనేది ముందే చేయాలి. సిఓడి లేదు. ఫోన్పే, జీపే, పేటిఎం ఎనీథింగ్ వాళ్ళు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారు. హ్యూజ్ డిమాండ్ ఉంది. మీరు పక్కన పెట్టండి అని మాత్రం అడగకండి దయచేసి. అట్లాగే చక్కగా ఎంత మంచి కలెక్షనో చూసారు కదా. అలాగే 15 పీసెస్ కనుక మీరు తీసుకుంటే చక్కగా దాని మీద కూడా డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది ఇస్తారు. డిస్కౌంట్ ఎంత అనేది మేడం క్లియర్గా చెప్తారు. మీకు కాల్ చేస్తే వీడియో కాల్ ఫెసిలిటీ అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. అట్లాగే ఇంకో ఇంపార్టెంట్ నోట్ ఏంటి అంటే మీరు శారీస్ కనుక 10 ఒకే పీస్లో బ్లౌజెస్ కానీ ఆర్డర్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ డిస్కౌంట్ ప్రైస్ మీద ఇంకా స్పెషల్ డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది ఉందండి. మరి చక్కగా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అన్నీ యూజ్ చేసుకోండి. మరి గివ్ అవే ఏంటి, గివ్ అవేలో ఎలా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలి, రూల్స్ ఏంటి, రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ఏంటి, గివ్ అవేలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలి అనుకునే వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని ఫ్రెండ్స్ మరియు ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్కి షేర్ చేసి నేను ఏం క్వశ్చన్ అడిగానో ఆ క్వశ్చన్ యొక్క ఆన్సర్తో పాటు మీరు చక్కగా క్లియర్గా అన్నీ తెలియచేయాలండి. అలాంటి వాళ్ళని సిస్టమ్ త్రూ ర్యాండమ్గా పిక్ చేసి నేను గివ్ అవే అనేది అందజేస్తాను. ఇంకో 2 విన్నర్స్ని నేను అనౌన్స్ చేయబోతున్నాను, డోంట్ వరీ అండి. మరి ఇవాల్టి గివ్ అవేలో క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చి బ్లాక్ ఆప్లిక్ వర్క్ శారీ యొక్క టైము, దాని యొక్క కాస్టు, అలాగే మీది ఎన్నో లైకో నాకు ఒకే కామెంట్లో తెలియచేయండి. సిస్టమ్ త్రూ ర్యాండమ్గా పిక్ చేసి నేను గివ్ అవే అనేది అందజేస్తాను. వీడియో మీకు కుదిరిన టైంలో చక్కగా చూసి ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. మరి ఇంకో 2 గివ్ అవే విన్నర్స్ వచ్చేసి అజంతా రెడ్డి అండ్ సింధూజా అండి. మీ ఇద్దరు మమ్మల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అయితే మేము మిమ్మల్ని గెట్ బ్యాక్ అయ్యి చక్కగా కొరియర్ అనేది అందజేస్తాము. ఇవాళకైతే ఈ వీడియో ఇంతే అండి. మరో బ్యూటిఫుల్ వీడియోతో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాము. అంతవరకు బాయ్. వెల్కమ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్. లైక్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు.